Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by diagnosing the problem so you fix the correct cause. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot and select Windows Update. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and follow its recommendations step by step. Check free disk space and clear at least 20 GB if needed. Also write down any error code, such as 0x80070422 or 0x8024402, F shown on screen. These codes guide targeted. If the troubleshooter did not resolve the error, reset update components manually. Open an elevated command prompt as administrator and run net stop WUSERV and net stop bits to stop services. Rename C /Windows/software distribution to software distribution. Old and remove C /Windows/System32/cacheroot2 folder to clear caches. Restart services using net start WUSERV and net start bits so Windows recreates those folders cleanly. Reboot your PC and retry Windows Update to repair core files if update components still fail after resets. Open an elevated command prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the image. After dism completes, run sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files automatically. If problems persist, download the Media Creation tool and perform an in-place upgrade to preserve apps and files. Make sure you have at least 20 GB free disk space and a stable internet connection during the upgrade and update process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.